Damn, the Corvette is so clean. Look at this. We got it fully detailed. It is spotless, bro. It sucks because we can't even drive it because it's been raining and storming this whole week. And it's supposed to keep raining, I think, the next 5 days. But what's up, guys? They want you another video. A couple things I need to talk about. Number one, though, it has been raining, like I said. It's been storming, and that kind of makes it hard for me to make car content because a lot of people don't like driving their cars in the rain. Especially a lot of like supercar owners and stuff like that. And the roads are just horrible. The people drive stupid. I don't really want to risk getting into an accident with one of my cars. So anyways, it has been pretty hard to film these last couple days, and I want to give you guys daily content, but there's really just nothing to film. So anyways, today we got a couple things to talk about, things that we can do without leaving the house. I'm sorry, I apologize if today's video is a little boring, but we're gonna do what we can right now. Number one, everybody has been tagging me in this freaking police high-speed pursuit video. It's going viral on YouTube right now. I think it has like 2 million views, and I want to show you guys what's super funny about it, why you guys keep sending it to me. So I'm gonna put it on the screen right here so you guys can watch it with me, all right? Obviously, high-speed pursuit. I think it was like, just wait till this food gets out the car. My boy! My boy's wearing the Go Faster hoodie. Bro, if you're watching this vlog right now, just know you're going viral. Look at this. My boy's getting arrested, dude. FYI, I don't know this guy. I don't condone high-speed pursuits. I don't condone street racing. I don't condone none of that, all right? It's just a hoodie. I sell hoodies. But look at this. Look what they say about the hoodie. So wait till they put him in the back of the car. This is crazy. This is what I mean by they're just assuming. Look, incriminating shirts, bro. You see, this is what I'm dealing with right now in LA. Because I have a car YouTube channel, because I'm an automotive YouTuber, they kind of like target me, saying that I'm promoting street racing, I'm promoting takeovers when I've never been to a takeover. I don't even street race. You guys see it in my vlogs. A lot of you guys want me to race in my vlogs. You're like, bro, I want to see you race some of your cars, but your boy's not gonna get in trouble. It's not worth it for me. So it's just funny how like even with the shirt, they're saying it's incriminating because of the Go Faster shirt. My boy got arrested in the hoodie. So I don't think there's much else. I think he just got arrested. They ran from the cops.
On the tube and then blow until you hear a click. Okay, it should be like 5 seconds.
Oh, my boy's getting that breathalyzer.
Keep going, go, 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 go.
He didn't do it, bro.
Go, go. Why didn't you tell him to pull over? Why didn't you tell him to pull over? You can outrun us. Think you can hide?
Everybody has been sending me this clip because it's been going viral. I think that video has 2 million views right now. He's literally wearing the hoodie, guys. Anyways, I think it's kind of funny, but at the same time it's not funny because I don't want to be like promoting this stuff. Again, I'm not promoting this stuff. I don't tell you guys go run from the cops. Don't do it. It's not smart. You're most likely not gonna get away, especially in Cali. I mean, I think other states people are doing it on a daily basis, but Cali, I feel like you cannot get away, bro. Like, there's no way. There's CHP, there's helicopters. They're crazy over here. I think it's funny how they're saying that's an incriminating shirt, like, just because he was wearing the hoodie. But I think it was just a coincidence. My boy's probably a big fan of the video. Shout out to you, but it is pretty funny. Anyways, everyone's been sending me this video. It is not me. A lot of people also are sending it to me, like, just screenshots, and they're like, is this you? Bro, it's not me. Does that look like me? I was not arrested. I did not run from the cops, okay? Shout out to everybody who cops a hoodie. I see everybody getting their merch right now. A lot of people are getting delivered. If you haven't got it yet, you're probably gonna get it like any day now. Literally like tomorrow or today you guys are watching this. So all the orders are shipped out. All you guys should be getting your merch. And I cannot wait to see everybody at car meets wearing it. If you guys go to a car meet, wear the merch. I wanna see it. Like, I wanna see it in person. It's the coolest feeling. So anyways, that was funny. Now let's move on to number two. The big topic I wanna talk to you guys about today. I got too many cars. It's not that I'm going broke, okay? But I want to get rid of some cars. Again, it's not because your boy Nick's going broke, okay? That's not the case. All the haters wish that was happening, but it's not. I just feel like I need to downsize the garage. Feel like I can't enjoy all the cars at once, guys. Like, I really can't. Right now I have the R8, I have the Corvette Z06, I have the G80 M3, I have the F80 M3 CS, I have the E92 M3, and we kind of have the E46 still, which I gotta make a video about that soon and talk about that soon and get updates for that soon. But anyways, 5, 6 cars. It's a lot of cars. It's really cool. I think it's every guy's dream to have a car collection. And I think it's super, super sick that I was able to achieve this, you know, make a dream car garage. It's insane, bro. I'm super blessed. Shout out to you guys. Thank you to you guys. I couldn't have done this without you guys. And I know you guys might say I'm crazy. Like, who doesn't want that many cars? But at the same time, trust me, guys, like I can't drive them all. Like, I literally can't drive them all. When's the last time you guys have seen the E92? When's the last time I've seen the E92? It's been over like 2-3 weeks. Took it to my sister's house and I leave it there because I don't have enough parking here. So I have to leave one car at my sister's house. Then I have to pay downstairs an extra parking to park my F80. On top of that, I'm paying $100 every other spot, the G80, the R8, and my Corvette, and my girl's car. So parking is the #1 issue. 2, I can't drive them all at the same time. I just can't, bro. I have favorites. Obviously, as you can see, I drive the Corvette a lot because I just got it back and it's so much fun now that it's cam. Drive the R8 a lot because obviously it's my dream car. The F80 tends to get neglected. The G80, I can't even remember the last time I drove that car. And again, the E92 is at my sister's house. I haven't even seen it in a couple weeks. Like, I bought it, put some wheels on it, and I haven't touched it since, bro. Which we gotta get that car and build rolling, but again, it's very hard when I have 5 other builds, bro. I can't even focus on one. So not only can I not drive them all, but I can't even make content with them all, bro. It's very hard. Again, it's a blessing to have. This is a freaking amazing problem to have, you know? That I have too many cars. But what do you guys think I should do? Should I downsize the garage? I think like 3 cars is like the perfect median, you know? Middle ground. I don't know. But see, I want to add a JDM. I want to add a truck. That's where I'm at, guys. Should we get rid of some cars? What cars should we get rid of? What car should we add to the garage? I don't even know how my boy Dandy does it. Like, there's no way he gets to enjoy all the cars, bro. There's no way. I haven't even driven my E92, bro, or G80. Right now, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna park all the cars together because I haven't done it in a while. And it sucks because of my parking garage. All my parking is like different. Like, it's on different floors and different parking spots. They're not all together. I wish they were. The way it's set up here, they have no spots in a line. It's so stupid, bro. Thank God for valves. Man, tell me it doesn't sound like an RX-7 a little bit. Telling you guys, it's like one of my favorite cars though. Like, besides the R8, this has been my favorite car to drive. So fun. To the point where it actually has neglected the R8. Like, I haven't even driven the R8 in so long. As soon as I got this car back. There's something about this Vet, guys. The manual, the cam. It just like, bro, the feeling you get driving this thing, like, it's insane. Everybody needs it. I'm still sick, by the way. I don't know why. Like, I can't get over it. That's another thing that's kind of stopping the vlogs and content, which is annoying, bro. I hate being sick. Not even about hate being sick. I hate missing days on content. I hate missing work, bro. I like working. I like posting vlogs. I like giving you guys entertainment. I don't like missing a day, bro. I hate it. I want to be consistent. Something about driving a Corvette. Everyone needs to experience it one day. All right, time to move this thing. This thing's also loud. Yeah, sometimes it's like halfway open. All right, we got the F80, put the R right there, the Corvette, and then the G80. See, I wish I was able to have these parking spots, but they're all taken. That's why I gotta hurry up because they're probably gonna come home and be like, why are you on my parking spot? They're all like assigned. Yeah, last but not least, this one. This one hasn't been started and, dude, I hate starting this one. It's bad, guys. Like, I genuinely feel bad every time I start this car. For all the neighbors. It's so loud, dude. right, last but not least, already. We don't have the 992 with me right now. It's at my sister's house, like I said, so. Damn, I haven't driven this in so long. I missed R8. This is crazy. Every time I see all my cars together, it makes me speechless, bro. Like, it's insane, dude. I am extremely blessed to have this problem where I have too many cars and not enough parking spots. That's why when people talk crap too, like, I could already hear it. People are gonna be in the comments saying, you still live in an apartment, but you have all those cars. Bro, come on. You wouldn't want this problem? Tell me you wouldn't, bro. And the people talking, like, don't even have these cars. Like, in my opinion, like, I see a lot of people hate on Dandy too. And they tell him, like, oh, why is he spending so much money on cars? Same with me, like, oh, you live at an apartment, but you have all these cars, go buy a house. Bro, the thing about the internet, people will always have something to say. And the people who do say stuff don't even have these cars. So, like, why do you even have an opinion, bro? Like, I would never talk crap about someone that's doing better than me. That's just me, though. I don't know. But it's those people that can't take this as motivation. They see it as, like, envy and, like, oh, that's not possible. You should be doing it this way. You're doing it wrong. When in reality, I know what I'm doing, bro. It's all business. The crazy thing is, like, when I bought that car, I bought it cash. I was super scared to spend the money. A big reason why I bought it cash and bought it was because of Danny. Danny told me, stop being scared to spend your money, bro. Spend the money, it's gonna come back 10 times, bro. Just watch. What happened? I bought it. I did merch drops with it, which made me money. Made a lot of content with it, which made me money. I got to enjoy it, which I have the best job in the world to be able to enjoy these crazy cars and make money from it. Helps the business. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna say this straight up. I literally could buy another F80 with the revenue that this car has made me. So that was worth it, bro. And that's what a lot of people don't seem to understand. Like, I know what I'm doing, bro. I'm not gonna do stuff that's gonna put me in a hole. All these cars I'm positive on. I think it's just funny when people have an opinion. Like I said, instead of taking it as motivation, why don't you look at this and be like, damn, if Nick could do it, I could do it. But that's just how I am, guys. Like, when I see other people that are doing better than me, I'm like, damn, if he could do it, it's possible, bro. Like, I could do it too. And that is a big reason why I have this. That's why I give a lot of credit to my boy Dandy, because, like, he literally motivates me. And he taught me a lot of these things where when I was scared to spend money, he was like, no, you gotta do it, bro. You gotta spend money to make money. And it's so true. It's so freaking true. But that's a big tip I'll give to anybody that wants to start YouTube or start social media. A lot of people always ask me for tips and advice. There's always gonna be people to say things, but just don't listen to them. Even when I was at my parents' house, they were like, oh, you have a GTR, but you live at your mom's house. Then I get my apartment. Oh, but you have a GTR, but you live in an apartment. Bro, you'll never win with the internet. You will never win. I get a house. Oh, but that's a little house, or that's this. Like, they're always gonna have something to say, bro. Always. Like, that's just how the internet is. And the people saying that are the people that just don't believe it, you know? They don't believe in themselves, and they don't believe this is possible. But it's possible, bro. I'm telling you guys, I'm a normal guy, and I was able to achieve all this by just hard work, consistency, and just dedication, bro. But you also need discipline, guys. The days you don't wanna go and vlog, you don't wanna go outside and work, you gotta do it, bro. You gotta force yourself, just like the gym, which I should take my own advice, but just like the gym, bro. You want to go to the gym, or maybe you're motivated, but you're just not disciplined to, like, just step out and go do it. Even if you don't want to do it, you have to do it. That's the only way you're gonna get buff, you know, in the gym. Same thing with this. You gotta be disciplined, bro. So you can have as much motivation as you want. You're not gonna get nowhere without discipline, guys. Anyways, this is insane. I always gotta leave you guys with some type of motivation when I show all my cars together. This is why I wish I could have them together in a row, because how crazy does this look, bro? Like, I'm sure the neighbors are probably like, what? There's no way this dude owns all of these. They for sure think I sell drugs or something. Little Mexican kid with tattoos on his hands. He for sure sells drugs. That's another funny thing that we were talking about with my homies. Isn't it funny how, like, every Mexican person that becomes successful, for instance, Dandy, they go automatically, oh, he sells drugs, or he does this, or he's in the cartel. And if you're white, bro, they're gonna be like, oh, that's daddy's money, or this, that. Bro, people always talk down on you because they just don't think it's possible, bro. You just gotta switch your mindset. Like, it is possible. Once you start realizing that, then you're like, oh shoot, I could do it too. But yeah, back to what I was saying though. As much as it's sick to have all these cars, I cannot drive them all. And we're missing the E92. We're even missing the E46. I'm not gonna lie though, when I see them like this, I'm like, damn, I cannot get rid of them. Like, that F80 is beautiful. Like, I'm playing real life Need for Speed. I'm building my dream cars. I'm doing my dream mods. It's crazy. These cars are all once fully stock. I bought the G80 fully stock. This thing was bone stock. It looked like an old grandpa's car. This thing was fully stock. Now it's fully stock. And now look at them. Like, I've literally modded everything you possibly could do to these cars. It feels like I'm playing real life Need for Speed or Forza. That's literally how it feels. But yeah, this is like one of the sickest looking F80s with the roll cage, all the white seats and everything. Everything's white. The R8 with the carbon hood, bro. Literally one of the sickest R8s with BBSs, dude. Those BBS wheels, like, at one point in my life, I thought that was so unobtainable. Like, I was like, there's no way your boy's gonna spend $10,000 on some freaking wheels for a car. Now I'm in the position where I'm able to do it on my dream car. That's why I did it. Might not be a smart decision, but you know, sometimes you gotta award yourself, bro. It's a little trophy of mine. Like, bro, my lineup is sick, dude. Look at the V-Log. Sheesh. But if you guys had to get rid of one, which one would you guys get rid of? And keep in mind, I have the 92, so you can throw that in there as well. But I don't know if I should get rid of my first car. You guys gotta help me out. Or do we just keep them all? Was this whole video a waste? Another video I gotta make one day is how much it cost me for insurance, bro. It's ridiculous. I hope this can motivate you guys. You guys could do it too. And don't let anybody stop you guys. Don't listen to the haters. Don't listen to none of that, bro. You can do it too, I promise. You guys saw the whole come up. Like, if you guys have been watching my channel for the past 5-6 years, you guys saw the come up, bro. All the failed businesses I've had. I had a rap shop at one point. I had another rap shop at one point. Both failed. But I didn't stop there. It was just roadblocks. It was life lessons. It built me to the person I am today. I went through breakups, as you guys saw that too. Like, you guys have seen my whole life literally unfold, bro. Like, there's no money glitch. There's no nothing. My dad didn't buy me these cars, but my dad did teach me a lot about hard work. My dad is the hardest working man that I know, and I feel like I have to give a lot of credit to him to where I'm at today, because he literally showed me growing up like how hard you gotta work for the things you want and to support his family and stuff like that. He didn't buy it from me, but he did help me out a lot with my mindset, guys. I owe that all to my dad. Anyways, I know it was a short video. I know we didn't do much, but again, it's just raining out. The streets are flooded. I can't even drive these cars unless I want to turn my R8 into a submarine, which I don't want that, which I don't want to do that. But if you guys did enjoy this video and enjoy these kind of talking videos, let me know down below. And hopefully the weather clears up so we can get back to the regular scheduled program. But yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.